I've been wanting to share this for a very long time now, but because of this turmoil and this COVID, I just missed that whole thing out. I always wanted to share this with all of y'all and about myself, about Bharat Mehra, your astromancer. I have many Muslim friends. I celebrate Eid and take part in iftars. I have Christian friends. I celebrate Christmas with them with as much spirit as they do. Sometimes I visit churches, dargahs with all my friends. Because my thought is that God is everywhere. Because I believe in Vasudev Kutumbakam, which means the whole world is like a family. And today I am not worried about where I stay, where I am, my people. I am worried about the whole universe, which includes everybody. May it be Hindus, may it be Muslims, may it be Christians, may it be anybody. Because I believe the world is one family. If I believe in energies, they're coming from everywhere, from everyone. And like I always say, energies don't lie. We are moving towards May, and we are going to get out of all this, and we are all going to be fine. Just give as much positivity as you can to the universe, and we will win. Mark my words, guys, we will win. As the Prime Minister has announced the lockdown, which will continue till the 3rd of May, we have to see to it that we strictly adhere to it. And even if it extends from there on, from 3rd May to maybe another 14 days, or maybe another 20 days, or whatever, we have to adhere to it. Even if things are getting better, as we know, as we are sure of, all of us together know, that our results are going to be out in the first week of May, and we are going to win. But lockdown is something that is going to be good for all of us. So even if we are fine, all of us are okay, things have improved, and we have won our battle by 80 to 90%, this lockdown is still going to help us. So do not panic, please. Do not worry. We are already used to it now. It's nothing new now. We've been going through this. So few more days, guys. Don't panic. Be positive. 80 to 90% of our things have been solved by the first week of May. So even if, God willing, I repeat, God willing, maybe it extends from the 3rd of May, we still have to adhere to it. I think at this point of time, we have to follow our Prime Minister, and I think he's doing a marvelous job. Because this audio of mine is going worldwide, it has gone viral, so I think the whole world is seeing this. I would want, at this point of time, we should all follow our Prime Minister, as I feel what he's doing is absolutely correct. Last time I had mentioned about being thankful. Thankful is a small word, to all the doctors, all the police, all the military. I forgot 2 of them because I received hundreds and thousands of messages, and I told them I apologize. I should have mentioned the name of all the media people, the news channels who are working day and night, and also all the bankers. All the bankers, because the banks are working, the people are working. So I add the bankers as well as the media people, the journalists, to the police, to the doctors and the military. So I repeat, I am thankful, and we are all very thankful to all of y'all, and y'all have done a marvelous job. किसी के गुजर जाने के बाद शहर बंद होना हमने बहुत बार देखा है. किसी के गुजर जाने के बाद शहर बंद होना हमने बहुत बार देखा है, मगर कोई गुजर ना जाए इसलिए शहर को बंद होना पहली बार देखा है. मगर कोई गुजर ना जाए इसलिए शहर का बंद होना हमने पहली बार देखा है. So we have to adhere to it, we have to follow the rules, the norms, and we are going to come out of it, and we are going to have this beautiful world of ours again. Take care of yourselves. I'm going to see you soon again next week.